doesn't it? Just a little bit. I think it's like 26 degrees out there. And I thought it would be a little warmer, and I didn't bring a big coat, so fail on me. Good morning. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Whatever time it is that you're watching this. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. I was entranced by Jennifer Aniston's ad.
Oh, is this for the Super Bowl?
I don't know, but it's empty.
Aww.
I know, I just finished.
Or are you just holding an empty coffee cup?
Well, this makes me want to go on Emirates flight. She woke up in a bed on a plane.
Oh, that
Then
sounds
went and
fantastic.
Took a shower. It's pretty. I've never needed that. I've never been someone that needed to travel that far. Maybe one day. Look at the frost.
Look at the frost. I already told them. Yeah.
Show them how cold it is.
It said it just looks cold. I haven't been outside yet, but it looks cold.
It does look cold. Brr.
Brr.
Hey! I know. He's already shut the door. I couldn't give you your canned food, but I'll give it to you when we come back.
Wow! Are you cold?
Are you dripping honey out of your purse?
Oh.
We are back home. Well, by home, I mean back at the Coleman house, and it is a beautiful day outside. Beautiful. So I think we're gonna spend some time out here today. We had a blast at the beginnings of the Gadsden campus. It was so awesome. Seeing the campus launch, having the first worship service there. It was in double overflow, which is excellent. I mean, you couldn't really ask for anything better than that. Tons of people in Gadsden are going to come to that church and be touched and grow closer to Christ, and that's the whole goal. You have anything you want to add about Gadsden?
I mean, it was really neat.
You happy?
It was my first time to experience like a launch of a campus, so that was really cool. And I thought that the turnout, like seeing all the people that came, it was overwhelming. It was really cool.
Are you happy that your hometown
has? Yeah, I mean, there's some decent churches in my hometown, but I'm glad that there's a Highlands there now.
I'm glad there's a Highlands representative.
Yes, I am. I think it'll bring change to the city, and that's what it needs.
We'll have to go back and do that one over.
I think what Anna's saying is it's great that they now have another authentic way to connect with Jesus, in addition to the other churches. I think that's what she means. We'll go with that.
Arr.
Pirate.
Pirate. I don't know how to get this open. You have a nice little home here. I like this shelf. Yeah. Do you want it in my home? I can't shut it. This is their tornado shelter. Where they live, they get way too many tornadoes. Well, the potential for tornadoes. So they knew they had to have a tornado shelter. And this is a very sturdy shelter. It's not going anywhere. But it makes me feel better that they have it.
Sturdy.
It's it. And we're in.
Check out that hair. We're back home. Broncos have won the Super Bowl, and I'm gonna be honest with you, didn't even watch it. I looked at the score 2 times, once at halftime, and then once when it was over. I did look up how Cam fumbled that ball and then didn't commit to getting it back, and how everyone's giving a hard time. Man, all I gotta say is, like, it's amazing how quick one little bitty, like, mistake, you know, and it could have just been an impulse. He didn't have quick lightning half-a-second reflexes like he should have, and people are going crazy about it. And I mean, yeah, it's a big deal, but I'm more interested in the fact that, like, people are going crazy over the fact that he kind of pulled back away. I don't know, I just think it's interesting. Anyway, it's over, and I didn't watch it. I actually did a vlog. After the vlog was done, I went and took a nice relaxing bath, and did not watch the Super Bowl. I'm just not an NFL person. Like, I'll watch the NCAA stuff, but just not into the NFL. It's just, I don't know. Anyway, though, we're going to bed. Hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. Tomorrow's gonna be another work day. Monday, work day, Monday, work day. And yeah, that's what's going down. So we'll talk to you guys then. Give it a thumbs up if you want. Video, comment down below. Bye. Goodbye. God bless.